In the previous video, we started the implementation of the check winner method. So I have completed the implementation by checking basically all of the possible combinations of being a winner or not. So what I need to do here is I just need to call my method every time a player makes a move. So if player 1 plays, I need to check if I have a winner situation. Otherwise, if player 2 plays, I need to check if I have a winner situation. So I will call the check winner method every time I call the play method, and I will provide it with my current board, which is stored in my grid multi-dimensional array. Now, as we set it up, if I have a winner, then it's going to violate this while loop or do while loop condition, and this is going to be set to 10, which is going to force breaking out of the loop. When I break out of the loop, I will land right here. So I need just to print something to tell me who won the game. So what I will do is I will just base that on whether I have a winner, and then if I have a winner, I will base this on whose turn is it. So what I will go ahead and say, if I have a winner, so if winner, then I have a winner and I need to print who won the game. Now keep in mind every time I play the game, so what's gonna happen is if I fill some slot here, it is going to change my boolean to true, my boolean that says whose turn is it, to true and false. If it is true, that means it is now player 1 who needs to play the game. So it means that player 2 just played the game. And if I have a winner after player 2 played the game, then even though the turn says true and it's player 1's turn, player 2 just played and won the game. So what I need to say basically is if it is turn, that means player 1 has to play now. But if player 1 has to play now and we exited the loop, so player 1 is not be allowed to play, that means player 2 just played and won the game. So what I will do is I will print a message that says player 2, whatever the name we stored in that variable, won the game. If that's not the case, then I will have this in an else statement and I will say else. Now player 1 is the one who won the game. And you can also have something after this if statement to say else, which means if I don't have a winner, I can just say the game ended up with nobody winning it. So I can just save this and let's give it a test run. Let me just pull this up so we can see what's going on. So I will call my first player B1, my second player B2, and let's start. So I will just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if I choose slot number 7, player X is going to win the game, which is player 1. So if I say 7, it says game over and player 1 won the game. Similarly, if it was O, then it's going to be player 2 won the game. Now, as an exercise, what we need to do is to make this game in a way that it's gonna keep running every time I fill this board or I have a winner. So what I need to do is I will need to make the whole application loop back again when I have a game over situation. So if there is no winner or if there is a winner, I should be able to ask the user if they want to play a second round or they don't. If they want to play a second round, I have to run the whole thing again by resetting my board and playing the whole sequence again. If they say no, then I should just exit the application.